Earlier this year, I made a video on the 7th generation iPad and what a great deal it is for those who are entering the iPad world. Well, the holidays are just around the corner, and if you're wondering which iPad to buy for you or your parents, then this short video is for you. Hi, I'm Rich Bolin, and on this channel we talk about tech, life, and how to get things done. If you're new here and you find this video helpful, be sure to click that subscribe button and tap the bell so you'll be notified when a new video is released. We're growing, and it's great to hear my videos are helping you out. Every year, Apple releases updated versions of their iPads. And by the way, there's a handful of different iPads. Sometimes the updates are small, other times the changes are significant. The 7th generation base iPad, which I reviewed earlier this year, link in the description below, was released in September 2019, and the 8th generation iPad, the newest iPad as the filming of this video, was released in September 2020. Without getting all technical, the most notable change with the newer 2020 budget iPad is that it now operates with an A12 Bionic chip. And by the way, that's the same chip used in the Bionic Man. Anyway, the 2020 iPad with this new chip is actually 40% faster and has twice the graphics capability of the 2019 iPad. And that's a pretty impressive jump. But having said that, if you already own the 2019 iPad, I don't think I'd upgrade unless you found yourself running into performance issues. On the other hand, if you're looking to buy a new iPad, then here are 5 reasons the 2020 base iPad 8th generation is a great bargain. Number 1, like its predecessor, the 10.2-inch screen is just gorgeous. Viewing angles are excellent, and the screen is bright and it's responsive. Perfect for watching YouTube videos as well as viewing your photos and such. Number 2, the new chip just makes everything snappier. Applications open and close so quickly. Scrolling is as smooth as butter, and the overall user experience is just better than ever. Number 3, the 2020 iPad uses a smart connector to connect to an Apple keyboard. If you're new to the iPad and know little or nothing about connecting a keyboard via Bluetooth, then this is your go-to solution. You just snap it in and you're ready to go. Easy, real easy. Staples button easy. Number 4, 2020 has been a rough year for so many. We've all been locked down with a limited ability to see family and friends, especially if you're a senior citizen. The 2020 iPad takes the edge off of that with texting and FaceTime. These applications are simple to use and a godsend for those unable to travel. Honestly, to me, being able to do these 2 things alone make the iPad a great purchase. Lastly, Apple's iPads range in price from $329 to $1,649. The good news is that this iPad I'm talking about costs $329, and that's if you buy it from Apple. I've seen them on sale at a variety of retailers for as little as $279, and really, for what this iPad will do, even if you pay $329, it's a great value. So there you have it. Beautiful screen, excellent performance, keyboard connectivity, communication apps, and a bargain for the price. So, should you buy this iPad for your mother or grandmother, for your father or grandfather, or maybe yourself? Heck yeah, you'll love it, and you won't regret it. Hey, if you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.